What is a forced error in tennis statistics? Imagine you're rallying on the baseline, trying to keep the ball in play, when suddenly your opponent hits a shot so well placed or fast that you just can't keep up. That moment is what we call a forced error. In tennis, a forced error happens when a player makes a mistake not because they are playing badly, but because their opponent's shot was so good it pressured them into a mistake. It's different from an unforced error, which is a mistake made without much pressure, like hitting the ball out of bounds on a simple shot. Forced errors happen when the opponent's skillful play, like a deep ground stroke or a tricky slice, puts you in a tough spot. You have the chance to make a good return, but the difficulty of the shot causes you to miss or hit the ball into the net. Understanding forced errors helps players and coaches see how well someone is applying pressure during a rally. When you force your opponent into errors, you're controlling the match more effectively. It's a sign that your return or baseline play is working to challenge them. For example, if you hit deep shots that push your opponent back, they might hit a shot that they can't control, resulting in a forced error. In tennis statistics, forced errors are tracked to show how much pressure a player is applying. They are usually counted by subtracting winners and unforced errors from total points won. This way, you can see how many points were won because of your opponent's mistakes caused by your aggressive play. Focusing on increasing your opponent's forced errors can help you reduce your own unforced errors. When you play smart and put pressure on your opponent, they are more likely to make mistakes, which keeps the rally in your favor. This is especially important in return and baseline play, where controlling the rally is key. So, in simple terms, a forced error is a mistake caused by the opponent's skillful shot that makes it hard to return the ball successfully. It shows how well you're applying pressure and controlling the game, helping you win more points while keeping your own mistakes low. By aiming to create more forced errors, you can become a more consistent and effective player on the court.